On Monday, US President Joe Biden called up Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and had an official talk in which the two leaders agreed to continue close cooperation on a number of fields, including climate change, terrorism, and freedom of navigation. This was the first call made by the new US President since the new administration was inaugurated at the US Capitol last month. Both leaders have committed to working together to achieve their two nations' common goals on the global arena. A statement issued by the White House later said the United States and India will work closely together to win the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, renew their partnership on climate change, rebuild the global economy in a way that benefits the people of both countries, and stand together against the scourge of global terrorism. The two leaders will continue to cooperate and promote a free and open Indo-Pacific, support freedom of navigation and territorial integrity. They are also committed to strengthen regional architecture through the Quad, according to the statement. The Quad, or Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, is an informal strategic forum of the US, Japan, Australia, and India. The president underscored his desire to defend democratic institutions and norms around the world and noted that a shared commitment to democratic values is the bedrock for the US-India relationship, the White House said, adding that the two leaders resolved that the rule of law and the democratic process must be upheld in Myanmar. Late on Monday, PM Modi tweeted saying he and President Biden discussed shared priorities and expressed commitment to a rule-based international order. The two leaders have agreed to stay in close touch on a range of global challenges, the White House statement said, adding that they looked forward to what can be achieved together for their people and for their nations. After being sworn in as the 46th President of the United States, Biden so far had phone call with 9 foreign leaders. Traditionally, the new American president makes first phone call to the leaders of two neighboring countries, Canada and Mexico. Thereafter, Biden called leaders of close American allies, including Britain, France, Germany, South Korea, and Australia. In between, he called Russian President Vladimir Putin, which was necessitated due to the extension of the New START treaty for another 5 years. Modi is the first foreign leader whom Biden has spoken with beyond neighbors and key NATO allies, reflecting on the significance his administration attaches to India. News Desk, Kaumudy English.